Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now. Make sure your Vivo Y20 has at least 20% battery and the SIM is inserted. Once ready, go to Settings, then System or System Management. This is where Reset controls live. You do not need to back up everything, but note important Wi-Fi passwords and APN details so you can reconnect later. Now tap Reset Options and look for Reset Network Settings. This targets Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth without erasing media or apps. Proceed when you see that specific option. Once you tap Reset Network Settings, read the confirmation. This action clears saved Wi-Fi networks, paired Bluetooth devices, and mobile data/APN settings. You will be prompted to confirm with your screen lock PIN, pattern, or password. Authenticate to allow the change. After confirmation, the phone performs the reset immediately. There is no progress bar, so wait a few seconds. Make sure to stay on the settings screen until it finishes. After the reset completes, you'll return to the network menus to reconfigure connections. Finish by rebooting the Vivo Y20. A restart ensures new settings take effect. Next, reconnect to Wi-Fi by entering your password, repair Bluetooth devices, and re-enter APN details from your carrier if mobile data does not return. If connectivity still fails, toggle airplane mode on and off and test again. One key troubleshooting tip: if mobile data is missing, double-check the APN and SIM tray seating. Contact your carrier before performing a factory reset, which should be a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.